Look at this, Charlie Brown.
To Linus Van Pelt, I expect my croquet set and chess set returned forthwith, in good order and within 5 days, or the matter will be turned over to my attorney.
And mine says he wants the record collection back.
Mine says that since he gave me nothing, I owe him nothing.
That does it, Charlie Brown. He's your dog and you're welcome to him.
Snoopy, why, oh, why did you